Hello children, I hope you all are doing good at home. I hope you have gone through the first part of this chapter, that is life process. So if you have gone through the video, let's have a brief view at what we have studied earlier. We have seen different living things and non-living things, that is differentiation of living things and non-living things. Nothing but biotic and abiotic component. So these biotic and abiotic components, they are differentiated on the basis of 5 characters which we have seen earlier. Which are those 5 characters? That is movement, eating, the third one is growth, fourth one is reproduction, and last one is response to stimulus. So we have seen those 5 characters based on which we can differentiate between biotic components and abiotic components. So students, we have also seen that those characters are not enough. They are not enough to distinguish between living things and non-living things, isn't it? So students, we don't know what exactly is happening at the molecular level, at the cellular level, isn't it? So at the cellular level or at the molecular level, for example, we have seen plants and animals. Plants also prepare their own food, but it's not visible to our naked eye, isn't it? Some animals, they breathe without movement, which is not visible to our naked eye. So, based on those characters, we cannot differentiate between living things and non-living things. Even if the person is sleeping or even if he is sitting, then the activities inside his body, they are going on. They are doing their job. They are maintaining their job. Because of what? Because of the molecular cells which are moving inside the body of human being for the maintenance and for the repairance. Isn't it? So, we have studied this earlier in previous class. So, for the continuous supply of molecules, we have seen we need energy. Even to sit at a single place, it is the tendency of a body to sit at a single place. It is given by the orders are given by the brain to that particular part of our organ to maintain that stability. Isn't it? So the job is going on even though the human activity is not present. Even in the absence of human activity, the job is going on. The job must play its role inside the body, inside the cells. So students, this continuous supply of molecule is because of the food we eat daily, through which we get energy. So this energy we get from what? The nutrients which are present in the plants, which are present in other animals. So these nutrients, how they are passed to the human body? It has a path or it has a way. The path or the way is nothing but what? The mode of nutrition. They are called as what? Nutrition. Like carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, minerals, amino acids, carbohydrates. Those all has to reach to the particular part of the human body to perform the basic functions, to perform the basic activities. They are nothing but called as what? Life processes. So we have identified one character, that is nothing but what? Nutrition. So we are going to learn further about nutrition in detail. So what are nutrition? What is nutrition? How does you differentiate between living things and non-living things? The way they take food from outside material, from the environment. How do they take the material from outside, from the nature? So every organism, they take nutrition in different forms. For example, you take plants, for example, you take animals. They take nutrition in different forms. This all comes under what? Nutrition. The role of nutrition, the purpose of nutrition to supply to the human body is what? The growth and the second one is the repair and the maintenance of the body. The damaged part has to be repaired time to time. It has to be maintained time to time, which is based on the growth. If you're a kid, you keep on growing day by day. The muscles, the bones inside your body keeps on growing, and this growth has to be maintained. So this growth is maintained through the life process, that is nutrition. So this is one of the important or primary factor, primary life process, that is nothing but what? Nutrition.